Okay, Kayla, didn't write any notes in the assignment there, so I'm interested to see what you got. All right, you shouldn't be exporting a .movie file because it's supposed to be interactive, and you should have exported an HTML file. And if you're not going to do that, then you have to break all the types so I can see it as you intend. I think I've mentioned that before. All right, we'll play it. Well, I'm happy to see you're getting the gist of the animation. And I like that general message. I'm not seeing any actions though. So what are your thoughts on actions? Do you want this to go to Behance or you want it to go to Adobe or etc.? Um, so break the type, name your layers, review the button instructions. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to make your movie. Just really not sure what's going on or what you're thinking about. You need to communicate a bit more with me, okay? All right, let me know.